To become a cinematographer, you need to have completed your 10th grade and plus 2 years of intermediate. Then you can pursue cinematography as a degree program. Yeah, in current scenarios, everybody is having a camera. When I say this, you're not just having a professional grade DSLR to shoot a camera or a huge cinema camera, but everybody is having a camera. When I say this, what I mean was everybody in their cell phones have a camera, which means they already have the kit, right? So it doesn't mean that whoever has the camera will become a cinematographer, but whoever gets trained on cinematography with a proper course and with a right portfolio will definitely help them becoming a cinematographer. Yes, a degree from a reputed university like JNFAU, which Roots College is offering, is 100% more effective than any other short-term program which you guys do in cinematography on any of these online courses. Entire visual narrative of a film or a sequence or a video part which you are seeing on screen is in one way or other is the brainchild of a cinematographer, right? Cinematographer works in tandem with the thoughts and visions of the director. Director not only works with cinematographers, he works with the entire crew, which he calls himself might be editor, sound designer or production designer. But the final output, what the editor is going to see on screen, which will eventually be recorded by the cinematographer in association with the thoughts which were shared by the director. When it comes to job role, what a cinematographer does, the job role is quite dynamic. You can find cinematographers shooting events, you can find cinematographers or one who has been skilled in cinematography doing anything with respect to a visual frame. Might be photo journalism or might be video journalism, might be cinematography, might be shooting for any of the OTT platforms, might be shooting for any of the events. So the scope under cinematography is huge, which cannot be compared with any other, because all the visual skills what needs a cinematographer or somebody who has grasp on the camera. When we talk about growth of cinematographer, let's take the current scenario, the pandemic. So the one and only thing that has grown leaps and bounds in this time frame is nothing but the OTT platforms. So if you are watching Netflix or Prime or Zee or Arha or Disney Hotstar, whichever is the OTT platform you are looking or seeing at, where you are consuming your time upon or where you are spending your time on, which means that there is a frame and there is a visual, implies that there is a cinematographer who is at the back of it. Thank you.